Hi, I'm Tyler.
Hi, I'm Ben.
And today we're going to be reacting to movies.
Today we're going to be reacting to the scene from Jackass's Bad Grandpa, and it's the vending machine scene.
Alright, let's see what we got here. Yeah, I haven't seen this since it came out.
Yeah, I believe I remember.
Always remember this.
I'm 90% sure he gets his ball stuck in the vending machine.
Oh.
Maybe.
Oh.
John, no.
Dude's got no shame.
I love him though.
The looks.
Sir, can you help me? Can you help me, sir? I don't expect you to understand, but I have my penis stuck to the soda machine. Gabriel, I'm stuck. My penis is stuck in the machine. Gabriel.
She's mortified.
Oh, Gabriel! Gabriel! Oh. Sir, could you help me, sir? Please don't announce it. It's a fucking embarrassing. Can you help me instead of announcing? Please. It's not funny.
Laughing.
It's not funny. Help! Give me a hand. Sir, can you help me? I'm in a bad situation. I gotta get unstuck. Jiggle my shoulders. Jiggle my shoulders. Ow! Ow!
What do I to do?
Jiggle my ow! Jiggle! Jiggle! Ow! Oh!
Just recording it.
Oh, he's trying to get me out. Oh, no! Stop, man!
Shoot. Sir.
Go, it's not gonna come out. Go! Quit pulling on it.
I gotta get down! Oh, man! Oh, God! Oh, God!
Jesus. My God.
I just love the fact that they just have no shame in what they're doing. Like it just, I love their stuff.
Yeah, they have absolutely no shame at all.
But fun fact though, this movie was actually nominated for an Oscar for Best Makeup.
Really?
Yeah, I know, a Jackass movie being nominated for an Oscar. That's
unheard of.
Well, I mean, weirder movies have been nominated for Oscars, but I just think it's just funny that, of all people, Jackass managed to snag... Well, no, it didn't win, but it just managed to snag a nomination. Yeah.
That's funny.
But you have to admit, though, the makeup on Johnny Knoxville really is good, though.
Yeah, he looks legit.
But I mean, but props to the fake penis, though.
Jeez, the prosthetic dick.
When he just, like, falls back with it. It was like, Jesus Christ. And like, half the people are not even helping at all. Like, they're just pulling their phones out, just watching the...
That's kind of our day and age.
Yeah, unfortunately, but... I don't know, maybe it's funny because it's true. Like, a lot of people would totally do that instead of help out.
Gotta get them views, you know.
Yeah. But, anyway, that concludes our viewing for Jackass Bad Grandpa's vending machine scene. So, yeah, if you guys have any more suggestions, please leave them in the comments, and please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.
All right. Adios.
See ya.